English Kannada past to be, I was.
ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೆ.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies and free practice tools. Today you'll nail the Kannada past tense of to be with laughs, rhythm, and quick wins. So you can say things like, I was there, you were on time, and more with confidence. Your goal today. Quick roadmap for you: listen, echo, smile, done. Let's set your target. I was.
ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೆ.
You were, polite, plural.
ನೀವು ಇದ್ದಿರಿ.
He was.
ಅವನು ಇದ್ದನು.
She was.
ಅವಳು ಇದ್ದಳು.
It was.
ಅದು ಇತ್ತು.
We were.
ನಾವು ಇದ್ದೆವು.
They were.
ಅವರು ಇದ್ದರು.
Forms plus rhythm drill. Clap lightly on each pause and echo after me. Keep it bouncy. I was.
ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೆ.
Echo. You were.
ನೀವು ಇದ್ದಿರಿ.
Echo. He was.
ಅವನು ಇದ್ದನು.
Echo. She was.
ಅವಳು ಇದ್ದಳು.
Echo. It was.
ಅದು ಇತ್ತು.
Echo. We were.
ನಾವು ಇದ್ದೆವು.
Echo. They were.
ಅವರು ಇದ್ದರು.
Echo. Funny dialogue at the cafe. Time for a tiny scene, listen and grin. Repeat the Kannada chunks. A. Where were you yesterday? B. I was at the library.
ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೆ.
Granthalayadali. A. And the lost cookie? B. It was on the table.
ಅದು ಇತ್ತು.
Megina Mealy. A. Your friends say you were late. B. No way, you were on time.
ನೀವು ಇದ್ದಿರಿ.
A. He was the barista, right? B. Yes, he was.
ಅವನು ಇದ್ದನು.
She was the manager.
ಅವಳು ಇದ್ದಳು.
A. So, were there many people? B. We were there, they were there.
ನಾವು ಇದ್ದೆವು. ಅವರು ಇದ್ದರು.
And one very suspicious cookie crumb. Culture tip: polite versus informal. You're doing great. Here's a quick nuance so you sound natural. Kannada uses polite, plural, you, a lot. In daily respectful speech, prefer.
ನೀವು ಇದ್ದಿರಿ.
For, you were. Compare present versus past. You are.
ನೀವು ಇದ್ದೀರಿ.
You were.
ನೀವು ಇದ್ದಿರಿ.
Tiny vowel change, big meaning shift. Quick quiz. Lightning round. Say the Kannada aloud before I reveal the answer. 1. Translate. I was. Answer.
ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೆ.
2. Translate. They were. Answer.
ಅವರು ಇದ್ದರು.
3. Translate. It was. Answer.
ಅದು ಇತ್ತು.
4. Translate. We were. Answer.
ನಾವು ಇದ್ದೆವು.
5. Translate. Polite. You were. Answer.
ನೀವು ಇದ್ದಿರಿ.
Drill. Your 10-second story. Now you speak, build a mini memory. Prompt A. Yesterday, I was at home, you were at the station. Say, I was.
ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೆ.
You were.
ನೀವು ಇದ್ದಿರಿ.
Prompt B. He was early, she was happy. Use.
ಅವನು ಇದ್ದನು. ಅವಳು ಇದ್ದಳು.
Prompt C. It was on the table, we were hungry, they were ready. Use.
ಅದು ಇತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಇದ್ದೆವು. ಅವರು ಇದ್ದರು.
Wrap up. Nice. You leveled up your Kannada past tense. Today you used every key form.
ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೆ. ನೀವು ಇದ್ದಿರಿ. ಅವನು ಇದ್ದನು. ಅವಳು ಇದ್ದಳು. ಅದು ಇತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಇದ್ದೆವು. ಅವರು ಇದ್ದರು.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing your 10-second story daily, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more friendly lessons, printables, and audio drills. See you next time with Synapse Lingo.